Hi everybody. Um, this is c'est Fabienne, Fierce partie de Twin Station Talk, Twin Station Creation. Pas oublier à l'abonner sur channel YouTube Twin Station Talk, Fierce and Fabulous. Do not forget to go subscribe to our channel. Twin Station Talk, Fierce and Fabulous, but this is the part of the Twin Station Talk. So I hope everybody had a great Sunday. I thank God I had a great Sunday. I was able to go to church and worship and pray and adore Him, and get some juice to be able to go to the week and stuff. And with everything going on with the whole coronavirus, I need to be close to God as much as possible, and I'm able to get my strength from Him. So I thank God for that. So, d'assurer que nous tout te passons bon dimanche. M'ta l'église jeudi hein. Actuellement m'ta l'église depuis jeudi m'a pral l'église parce que t'es gon retraite l'église nan pour tant carême nan. Donc m'ta allé, I went to a Lent retreat from Thursday to Saturday, and then we had mass today. So, I'm taking all the precautions that it's needed in regards to staying, washing my hands and all this thing, and not going to certain things that I shouldn't be going. But definitely, I felt like for me, I need to stay close to God. And that's what I did. Et même connais pour moi-même avec toute bagaille yo, bien que m'a prend précaution, but me connais que c'est dans pied bon Dieu pour me rester, c'est lui même qui gagne toute solution, c'est lui même qui a force, c'est lui qui a courage. Donc me kembe pied li. Donc jodi an me devle comme da pour un petit relax là, me devle faire un petit chanter pour nous, bien que voix pas fin cordial, mais pas comme si c'est voix professionnelle. No, I don't have like a professional voice, but I still wanted to come and sing something, bring a smile on your face in the midst of all this chaos going on. And I wanted to say, keep smiling, keep hoping, keep living life, keep, spending time with your family. So you may be isolated at your house and stuff, but there are things you can do. You can read, you can watch some of your favorite show, find joy in the little things and stuff. So here goes. Draw me close to you. Mm-hmm. Never let me go. I laid it all down again to hear you say that I'm your friend. You are my desire. Mm-hmm. No one else will do. 'Cause nothing else can take the place to feel the warmth of your embrace. Help me find a way to bring me back to you. You're all I want. You're all I've ever needed. You're all I want. Let me know you are near. You're all I want. You're all I've ever needed. You're all I want. Let me know you are near. And now I'm going to sing one in Creole, but it's not a gospel song, so it's just going to be something fun, a little snippet of the song that I like. On chante vraiment pile, but son petit parti là. Et pas forcément contre toute parole, Well, dis à moi pour ou chéri, pas mettre cause dans la ri, qu'on dirait à quoi coller, nous pral d'amis coller. Ah 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 ah. On t'y campé pour déraper, à Camori banane pesé. Moi pas quoi n'a misé, qu'on Volvo n'a sauvé au Medine mal élevé. Moi pareil, yelele, moi pareil, yelele, moi pareil, yelele, moi pareil, pareil. Nou pral dami kole. Dami kole. Nou pral dami kole. Dami kole. So that was it. Hope you guys had a great Sundays. Nous souhaitons de passer un bon dimanche. Passez une bonne nuit. Priez. Stay praying.